Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace hood lift support Hyundai Sonata easy method. Support the hood securely, remove the retaining clip at the old strut, and detach the ball stud from the hood and frame. Compare the old and new strut lengths, align the new support onto the ball studs, and snap both ends into place. Test the hood travel slowly, reattach any removed trim, and confirm secure operation before driving. Start by laying out tools and the replacement lift support on a clean surface. Confirm the replacement matches the original in length and mounting style, and inspect ball studs for corrosion. Use the flathead to pry off small retaining clips while supporting the hood with a prop or helper. Remove the old strut, fit the new support onto both ball studs, and ensure clips engage fully. Slowly test the hood for smooth motion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading manuals or tunes while you work on your car. I mention it because downtime during parts delivery became my favorite reading time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and once you do, now let's get back to the video. With the hood supported, carefully remove the retaining clip from the lower strut end and pull the socket off the ball stud. Repeat on the upper end and set the old strut aside for comparison. Align the new support sockets over the studs and press firmly until you hear both clips click into place. Lower the hood slowly to confirm even, controlled motion and to ensure both mounts remain secure and free from binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.